1996, Russian-built helicopters made their debut in the South African skies, forever changing the face of heavy lift, firefighting, and rescue markets. These twin-engined helicopters are specifically designed to carry loads of 3,000 kilos to 10,000 feet. With a fuel endurance of 3 hours, they are fast, reliable, easy to maintain, and cost-effective. In January of 2004, UTA South Africa was established, and the company has subsequently become the primary supplier of aircraft, parts, personnel, and expertise in the Southern African region, with a comprehensive maintenance and training facility. With 5 helicopters in service, UTA South Africa plays an important role in fire prevention throughout South Africa in conjunction with the national parks and firefighting services. Due to strong, dry and windy conditions in Southern Africa, bush and mountain fires can overwhelm conventional methods of firefighting in a short time. UTA South Africa therefore provides a rapid aerial solution in the form of water bombing to inaccessible areas, and has proved to be highly effective and cost efficient. UTA South Africa further assists with the transport of RAP attack teams directly to the fire line, quickly and efficiently, which over the years has proved to be extremely successful in reducing the spread of fire. Highly skilled pilots fly numerous sorties in aggressive conditions and are supported by an on-site ground crew who conduct routine maintenance and inspections every 25 hours. This stringent maintenance program ensures that the aircraft remains serviceable at all times.
My name is Brick Shield. I'm the Regional Manager for working on fire in the Western Cape. We work together with Ute Air. They help us with the helicopters on the initial attack side of firefighting in the Western Cape. We've had a good partnership with them for the last 2.5 years, and we hope to continue it.
Philip Prince, Manager Fire and Technical Services, Table Mountain National Park. Table Mountain National Park covers an area of approximately 25,000 hectares, and some of the areas are very inaccessible, and that's where helicopters come in. The use of helicopters within the park are used extensively because of the inaccessibility of the area and to get to the fire as soon as possible. And that's why we're using UT Air, and we're very proud to be associated with UT Air.
UT Air South Africa, integrated and reliable airborne solutions for the African skies.